Yo, so next week I'm about to take a long road trip from Ohio all the way to Utah, but I'm going to take a route that I've never taken before, so I'm going to go through the Dakotas. I probably won't have time for North Dakota. I'm going to go through Montana, maybe bits of Idaho here and there, so places I've actually never been. First, I'm going to take my GX460, go off-roading, and see a bunch of friends that I haven't seen before. Part of my road trips, what I love to do is just see friends. Fortunately, I've got like a friend in every city or groups of friends, and that's part of my fun, to go see people I haven't seen for like a while. So that's like my idea of enjoyment and vacation. But then I'm going to be working remote in Utah for a week, working remote in Colorado for a week, doing a bunch of off-roading. I'm going to drop into CrossFit gyms to carry on the momentum of working out. If any of you guys or my friends are out west at this time, if you want to like meet up or have an altercation or fight or do something, go off-roading, I'd be more than happy to accommodate.